Step 1 is to sign up for Hostinger. To get the best deal with Hostinger, make sure you sign up using our exclusive partner link in the description below. That will get you an extra 10% off any Hostinger plan. That link will take you to this page, where you'll see the coupon code already applied to get the best possible price. To start, click Claim Deal. Hostinger recommends the KVM2 plan for better specs, but for this tutorial, I'm going to use KVM1 to keep the cost down when getting started. If you ever need more power later, you can upgrade your VPS plan anytime. When you're ready, click Choose Plan. Next, under Period, choose how long you want to pay for your plan up front. A 12-month plan is fine for testing this out, but the 24-month option is usually the best value per month, so that's what I recommend if you know you'll stick with n8n. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'll keep 12 months. Underneath, you'll see an option for the daily auto backup. You can always add this later, but if you already know that you're interested in backups, this is a good time to add it because the extra 10% discount applies to this order. I won't enable this option for the tutorial, but it's a nice safety net if you're using n8n for anything important. Next, scroll down to choose a server location. Pick a server location that's closest to you or your audience. Closer usually means faster, so just choose the one that makes most sense for where you are. Then scroll down to the operating system section. Make sure n8n is selected here, because that's what sets up the one-click install for us later, and then confirm. Once you have n8n selected, scroll up and click Continue. Then register your account with Hostinger by entering an email and password. Click Register to continue. Finally, on this screen, enter your billing address, then your payment info, and then click Submit Payment to complete your order. Once your payment is accepted, you can click this button to get started or wait for the timer to expire. That will take us to the Hostinger VPS setup screen. Now that we're on the VPS setup screen, let's create a root password. This is not your Hostinger account password. It's the password for your actual server, so make sure it's a strong one. You'll also see an option to add an SSH key here. This is optional because it's just another way to log into your server. The root password is all you need to finish this setup, and Hostinger lets you add the SSH key later, so don't stress if you don't want to do that now. Click Next when you're ready. Here, you might see an option to enable a free malware scanner. Adding this doesn't change anything about the n8n setup, it's just extra protection. So I'm going to leave it enabled, and then I'll click Finish Setup. This can take a few minutes, so I'll skip ahead to the part where it finishes. Now that the VPS has finished setting up, click on Manage VPS to get to your VPS dashboard. You may see a short survey here, but if you scroll down, you can skip this.